Are you ready to learn gymnastics?
I'm Coach Brad.
I'm Coach Haley.
And I'm Coach Catherine.
And this is Adventures in Gymnastics.
We gotta find the rest of the animals. But first, let's look for Penelope the pig. Y'all know that pigs love the mud, right? Let's go ahead and put our feet on the lightning bolts and look down in the mud. Penelope! Penelope! Well, I didn't see her down there. Maybe if we roll in the mud just like a pig, she will come out. So let's put our feet on the teeny tiny squares, hands on the circles, and forward roll. Y'all see Penelope still? I don't see her. She on this side? No. This side? No. Do y'all see her? She's behind me? Oh, y'all are right. She is right behind me. Y'all got some good eyes. Bye, Penelope.
You guys did it again. Thanks to you, we got all of the animals back to the barn, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without your help.
Coach Haley, do you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's time for a hoedown throwdown.
You darn tootin'.
I'm Coach Brad.
I'm Coach Haley.
And I'm Coach Catherine. Want to learn more about gymnastics? Click the subscribe button to have access to all of our videos. And make sure to like us on Facebook.